Today is day 2. We're gonna do day 1 quick recap. Man and his dog and the tree saga. Gotta get that stump out. And he is going away, man, at it. Look at this. We're gonna get it done today, guys. And as we said, the walls is coming along. Good morning. You heard what the doggone rooster said. Get your butt out of bed and let's get back to building this wall. Come on, guys. Day 2. Count it down with me. Day 2. We're going to go into building the wall. Show you what these guys got going on. But as always, before we get started, you hit that like, share, subscribe, and as I did before, ring that belly, man. Hit that bell. Ring it. Don't be shy of the belly. All right, guys. Let's go on and see where these guys at. All right, guys. This is day 2, and we are back in it. So the master carpenter is getting ready to make the dividing of the 2 rooms. And then his other carpenter, I got 2 carpenters, he's actually doing the wall. He's already in it. You see it? They're already getting in it. And this is the front of the house. So right where that pile of wood is between the 2 beams, that would be considered my front door. Oh, okay. So here we go. Got the cement being poured. You'll see tonight. You know, I know a lot of people, when it comes to building houses, a lot of people want to see the house built from start to finish. I didn't want to do that. So what I'm doing for you guys, so we can move it along, is every 3 stacks, you could say, I just like to show the doggone building being built. See what I mean? You know, once they get it up high, I come back and I film some for you guys instead of just showing them laying every brick one by one. But that's it. That's the dividing of the house. So what you guys going to get in this video here on day 2 is y'all going to be able to see everything that's coming up. And how the rooms are going to start. As I like to say, these rooms are going to start coming alive. Y'all hear that noise? Yes, I got a surprise for y'all. Look at that. I come right on time. Piglets was being born while the house was being built. So I got to run over here. How many? Run over there and check it out. And one of those little piglets, unfortunately he only had 3. He didn't have, the sow didn't have a lot. But one of those piglets already got my name on it. So Felchin, he told me, he said, hey, one of these pigs are yours. And so I gotta just wait about, well, once the house get built, I'm gonna pick up the pigs. And there go my little princess, Endai. She, like I said, she's all over the place, man. She's all over the place. Her little pretty self, you know. She made her debut. Okay, look at the camera. I think she's the one that put me over 1K, you know, because she's in almost all my videos. So now, here we go. Left the pigs, coming on back. Check the wall out now. This is the side of the house. What you want to call it? The east wing, right? I know I'm making it funny. But this is the east wing, right? So, as you see, they got the doggone walls up. Okay, check it out. Coming a long way. The master carpenter, he got the divider going on. But what he's doing here that's different from my house in the DR is every 3 high of the hollow blocks, they actually put rebar in the middle, which in the DR, they did not do that. So that's different. That is totally different. So, yeah, I got this. They're putting the rebar in there. Putting the rebar in to make it even extra strong. Maybe because the hollow blocks is a little smaller than American blocks and Dominican blocks. I'm not sure for the reasoning, but I like this idea. And I wanted to capture this so you guys could check it out and see how he do. So this is a big treat for me to be on site, or as they say, boots on the ground, watching them build and see the difference between building in the United States versus building in DR and building in the Philippines. You learn something new everywhere you go. Everybody do it different. Nobody does it the same way, which is kind of cool. So here, that's it. So once he finished that, we're gonna move it along. I'm gonna get back on these blocks, and y'all gonna see this thing coming up. As I said before, I am super excited just to see how well this thing is going. And this is only day 26. Yes, 26 days. You know, I got 4 more days, guys. 4 more days, and it'd be an actual month worth of
I gotta
building.
go over there.
Now, what I'm showing you right here is, check it out. The stump is now gone. There it is. That was the thorn in my side. The last Mohegan. No more tree stumps. We got them out. We are finished.
Ready to go now.
They could close up that area. They're going to probably do that tomorrow. And we're going to keep this thing going. So, yes. So, as you see, Master Carpenter doing his thing. Get y'all right back on it. And we're going to build this up. So, I'm going to let this thing just roll. Y'all going to just watch it a little bit. See how he do. And I'll come back and narrate a little bit more for you in a minute. So can you see what I see, guys? This guy is already on a scaffold. He's up in the air. They're getting ready to go up to the next level. So basically where he's at right now, you know, when I come out this wide zoom for you, this is actually floor level. Floor level. So the blocks that you see now, they got to fill all that in with dirt. And so when you walk in the house, right there on that line is going to be where the floor is, or my ceramic is going to go. And then the block that's on top of it, as he putting up top, all that's going to be the actual wall. That's going to be the first level of the house. So look at him. See how he's up top? And look at the master carpenter. Master carpenter's matching. Carpenters are matching each other's speed. Look at this. I mean, they're doing the thing. So as you can see, the room on the other side is coming of age now. You can start seeing definition. And right here, they're still digging some holes because we got some more rooms to put in this thing.
Milit. Kuan madutungan na iba mga basig. Iya ikut kondisyon ngayon kay guwapo mo tong engineer sa kuan. Lahi sa si Ma'am Sa.
Need to capture him. As you guys see, the chickens like my house, man. They come on over, and this is where I keep catching those beautiful rooster crows that I keep showing y'all in the morning. This is where I get them from. They just come up to me, and I turn on the camera, and they sing along. So that's what it's about. So Buddy got the... All right, guys, so this is the ending of day 2. Day 2, and I'm going to show you guys the whole day 2. But as I exit this day 2, you know what I always say. Hit the like, share, subscribe. And come on, rub Buddha's belly. Rub Buddha's belly. Y'all know what I'm doing. All right, so here we go. So right here, so you can understand, I'm going to show y'all the floor plans later. This is the front door. And then when you come back to me, you see right here? This is actually, I am standing in my living room, and the walls are up. I haven't got my sliding door. I was gonna do French doors, but I went with sliding door. They're already getting ready to start that. Pan over here, y'all remember this that they did first, the back? That's gonna be my bedroom there. These two pillars, just to give y'all just a once over real quick. These two pillars, this is my hallway where you walk down the hallway, your CR, your bathroom, and all that stuff. Right where the camera is the kitchen. Y'all gonna see that come to life. And then where this hole is dug, that's gonna be, yes, I'ma say it, the Brooklyn Nomads YouTube office. That little office right there. And then over here, I'm gonna have another bedroom. Another bedroom, 12 by 12. So that's it. So when you break it down, by day number 5, y'all gonna see all this stuff start coming around. That's when I'm gonna have the floor plans for you guys. And y'all gonna be able to see the floor plans and see what I'm talking about. And you're gonna see the whole vision. And the Nomad family is gonna be welcome to see this thing grow. So, until tomorrow, we'll have day 3 for you guys. Brooklyn Nomad, out. Peace and love.